let's wrap up our drawing by adding cameras, and then we will render it. So in the quick access toolbar, I have an option below default 3D view and then camera. I will add 2 cameras. You can set its distances and its perspective view. My height will be 5 feet 6 inches, and I will set a camera in the first floor. So I will click here and click here. So this will be our exterior camera. You can set its view later, like I am doing. Expand its length. This is how you can adjust. So this will be our exterior camera setting. Now again to first floor and set our camera again for the interior render. So I will set camera here, click here and click outside. Now this is how our both views will be looking. Now again press RR for rendering, and here we have setting for render setting, drop, low, medium. I will set drop because I'm doing a test render, and you can set its resolution. For interior lighting, we have to use both interior, sun and artificial. And artificial lights you can use it, and with sky I want sky with no clouds. And after render we will adjust its exposure if you want to adjust it. Now start rendering or drawing. I will pause the video, and after render completed we will see its result. For better result we can make settings for medium, and we will enter it again to see how it looks. Result is going better. In the quality setting we have to select best, and in the output setting, instead of screen we must select printer and give it a pixels of width and height. And also you can adjust your exposure, lighting, so our result will get better by making more settings. This is just a test render, so you can try more setting for better result. We will try one exterior render, and so that we will have to see what we have done in our complete project. Our rendering is completing. Now you can also adjust exposure here, make it darker and apply. See how it is look. Now this is I think good. Apply it, try it more. Now that's good. We can export it as a JPEG or PNG or bitmap file, anywhere we want. So I will export it 3D view and save it. Now for the exterior rendering, I will switch to 3D view, and here we have 3D view 1. This is our exterior setup. Press R for rendering, and again same settings. This time I will select exterior sun only because it's exterior render, no need for artificial light. So I will press render and we'll see its result. Our rendering is in progress and will be completed soon. You can see the result of our rendering. We can make it more realistic by making our settings best and render setting to 600 dpi, so it will be a bit more realistic than we have a result now. And you can adjust exposure. I will also export it. You also can save your project, save it. So that's it for the complete project. We learned it from scratch how to make levels and then draw walls, and for the final render we completed our project. So that's it for this tutorial. See you in next project tutorial. Till then, bye.